5 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus square root of 125. Now 5 is a prime number. This 5 is also prime number. 125 we can factorize as 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 into 5 is 125. Now in the square root sign, if the things are twice written, we can take one time out. So 9 root 5 minus 4 as it is. Here this 1 5 will come out and it will become 5 root 5. Now I can take root 5 common from all the three. So what we will have? 9 minus 4 plus 5. So 9 minus 5 is 9 minus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So the answer of this is 10 root 5. Correct? Now let us go to activity 2. So we have complete the following activity to write down the recurring decimal point 777 in P upon Q form. Now as we are already knowing it, whatever number is there, you have to see the recurring digit. If it is one digit, we will be multiplying by 1 के बाद में 1 0. If there are two digits which are getting recurring, then we will multiply by x को 1 के बाद में 2 0. So here we have only one digit, that is 7 getting repeated. Correct? So we our x is 0.777. We have to multiply this x by 10. So you will write down here 10x is equal to 10 into, please write down in 0.777 dot dot dot. So our 10x will be, this decimal point will shift 1. So it will be 7.777 dot dot dot. So 10x minus x, that means this minus this, which will be equal to 7 point recurring 7 minus 0.77 or recurring 0.7. Correct? So 9x is equal to 10 minus x is 9. 10x minus x is 9x. So that will be 7 point recurring 7 minus 0 point recurring 7 will be 7. So x will be 7 upon 9. Correct? Now let us move towards the next example. Activity 4a. Complete the following activity to solve the equation. Now modulus sign is there, right? We have to find out the absolute value. 3x minus 5 equal to 1. So 3x minus 5 equal to 1, or 3x or minus 5 is equal to minus 1. So taking this 5 on the right hand side will be plus 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6, or here now here minus 1 plus 5. So minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. So you have 3x is equal to either 6 or 4. So divide by these things, what you will have? X is equal to 6 upon 3 na. So that will be 2. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4 upon 3. Is it clear? Now next one. Complete the following activity to rationalize the denominator root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. So in this activity, children, obviously denominator we have root 5 plus root 3. So we are going to find out first the conjugate pair of root 5 plus root 3. So root 5 plus root 3 का conjugate pair है root 5 minus root 3. So we will write that. So we will write down root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 minus root 3. So we'll multiply numerator and denominator both by root 5 minus root 3. Numerator as well as denominator. Both will be multiplied by root 5 minus root 3. Right? So now that means what? Now here this is also root 5 minus root 3 and this is also root 5 minus 3. So we can have root 5 minus root 3 the whole square. Correct? And upon you will have root 5 the whole square minus root 3 the whole square. Now children, we will be doing the further step in a rough work because here they have asked for the final answer. So here down we have something which is called as rough works. So in that rough work column we will be solving this part further and we will be writing it. Okay. So in the rough work let us solve it. So we have here root 5 minus root 3 the whole square, na? This square. So I am opening the bracket a minus b the whole square. It will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So root 5 the whole square minus 2 into root 5 into root 3 and then plus root 3 का square and upon you have root 5 का square. Root 5 का square will be 5 and root 3 का square will be 3. Correct? So when you will solve further, it will be 5 minus 2 root 15 plus 3 upon 2. So we will have 5 plus 3, 8 minus 2 root 15 upon 2. Now this both the things are having even numbers. So I can take 2 common. So I can take 2 common. I can write down 4 minus root 5 upon 2. So this 2 and 2 will get 2. And you will be left with 4 minus root 15. So here final answer you can write down here as 4 minus root 15. Okay, upon में 1 लिख दो और कुछ नहीं है. So I hope everybody has written the things along with me. Again I am showing you the entire things. So we have all the 4 sums.